Did you know that sales reps can personalize what goes into their quote documents? Let's see how this works. Here we are looking at a quote for a new machine. And when we click on the Quote Editor tab, we see there are a number of fields that are automatically filled out. Fields like the introduction and additional considerations and closing remarks, even the closing salutation. At the top menu of iQuote in the Links section, there is a Personalized Quote Editor menu item that reps can use to configure all of these fields for themselves. On this page, you can see how a rep can freely override the text that populates those fields for the quote document. You can also see some fields have variables and curly braces. These indicate how to use a placeholder in the text that will get filled out using data from the quote. Let's make some changes here. First, let's keep it casual. We can replace dear with hi. Next, we can change the delivery expectations. Lastly, keeping in line with making this less formal, we can replace sincerely with a simple thank you. At the top, we can now save these changes for this rep. These changes will begin applying to new quotes from here on out. Note, this is only for new quotes rather than new revisions. Let's see what it looks like with these new personalizations in place. On this new quote, navigating over to the Quote Editor tab, we can see that the introduction and other fields we personalize now use the template we had set. This feature empowers your sales reps with the ability to configure their quote documents to match their style of operating.